I'm Brittany from Appliances Direct, and this product is one which is going to make your life easier. The most powerful robotic vacuum cleaner, the intelligent A325. The robot sweeps up everything from dust to pet hairs, so it's going to save you plenty of time and backache having to hoover the house yourself. It's really easy to set up schedules, like tell it to clean at certain times and on certain days, which will let you go to work, leave the robot to undock itself from its charging station and complete its cleaning programme, and then it'll even take itself home to recharge itself. It's got amazing triple cleaning action with an extra large side brush, which you can see here, and a large rubber brush in the middle here, which makes light work of any dirt, all leading to the powerful vacuum in the middle which sucks everything away. This model also features a mop cleaner here and a UV sterilisation lamp which helps to clean and sanitise the floor as well. It's a smart robot which has got multiple cleaning modes, all of which can be activated by the remote control. You can even leave the robot in auto cleaning mode, which will cleverly decide when to use its spot or edge cleaning mode itself in order to get the best results without you lifting a finger. And with its infrared sensor and soft touch bumper, it's great for letting the robot reach right to the edges of walls and corners, getting it to clean a much greater space and won't damage any of your furniture. The A325 has a high capacity battery, so it can run for up to 2 hours before having to recharge, and you can even set the robot to perform in a low power, low noise mode for nighttime cleaning. We'll start its cleaning cycle, then once it's complete, show you how the robot returns home to redock itself. It's really easy to dispose of the dirt collected as well. Simply pull out the large bagless dustbin and empty. The A325 is the most advanced electric robot in the range, packed with smart features that take the stress out of home cleaning every day.